Let me introduce myself. My name is Andriy Mik. I am a professional singer with a classical background, and on this channel you will find easy to follow tips, vocal exercises and singing secrets which will take your singing to the next level. Hit subscribe and bell so you never miss new videos and your chance to sing better. Let's go! Preparatory Block, Part 1. It's quite simple. Listen to the recording of the song you want to sing as much as possible. And it's really very important. The music needs to enter in your ear and in your brain. Part 2. Know the lyrics exactly. At least once, just read the text aloud and think about the meaning and emotions. Let's do it together. Wise men say, only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river's flow surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, but I can't help falling in love with you. Great. Part 3. Know the rhythm. Practice the rhythm by speaking the text and clapping along. Let's do it together. Wise men say, only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, but I can't help falling in love with you. Great. Part 4. Sing along with the recording in a soft voice. And it's very important to use your soft voice. Don't sing with full voice. We will do it later in the practical block when we will know exactly words, music, melody, and everything. Wise men say, only fools rush in. This way. Don't do wise man. We don't need it. Play the recording and do it with the recording and do it in a soft voice. It's very important. Practical block. I'll say right away, this is very important. If you are learning on your own, make sure to record yourself on a voice recorder or camera and listen to how it sounds. If you have a teacher, he will correct you. So if you don't have a teacher, listen and control yourself. By the way, if you want me to review your performance of any song, you can become a channel sponsor. Just click Become Sponsor under this video. As a bonus, you'll get different perks, but the most exciting one, in my opinion, is the opportunity to send me your performance once a month. And I will respond to you in a video format, analyzing your strengths and weaknesses, and giving advices on which exercises to focus on, what to do to sing better. You can also order a review of your performance without becoming a sponsor or take a lesson with me by writing to my email. All details are in the description under this video. Let's continue. In this video, I will talk about some techniques and tips that you might not have heard of. So pay attention to the hints during the video, or after watching, check the description and study the techniques I explain in my other tutorial videos. Part 1. Warm up so your voice is ready. Don't forget about the main thing, breath support. After warm-ups, continue. We will sing the song without words on the sounds like z, v, or b. This is to know the melody exactly and not to lose resonance while singing. I recommend doing this a cappella. Try to sing so that the vibration of your voice is uninterrupted. If you feel too low or too high, change the key to make it comfortable. Let's do it together. And this way. Please don't interrupt your resonance. I mean, like... I interrupt. Try to hear it always. Part 2. Solfeggio parlato, which means spoken solfeggio. We will speak the text in rhythm and with subdivisions in shorter notes. In places with accents, don't make your voice louder, but as if you are holding the note longer. In fact, you will not sing it longer, but just think like this. Wise men say, only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, but I can't help falling in love with you. This way. When I mean to do subdivision, it means not to do wise, but wise. I do a small impulse on the second part of wise, like wise man, man, not man. This is the subdivision. Wise men say, only fools rush in. Please do this subdivision, do this solfeggio parlato. It will help you a lot when you will sing in a full voice. Part 3. Finally, we will sing the song with the lyrics. Be sure to sing with feeling, feel the beat and groove. You can think about technique after the first few performances, when you notice the issues in your singing. I recommend doing this a cappella, but I will sing and play piano rhythmically with a pulse. It will help you to feel the beat and groove. Wise men say, only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. I suggest singing a cappella, recording yourself and analyzing until you feel confident with the song. Only then start to sing with instrumental or with your instrument. I would like to warn you about common mistakes. Don't sing like a student. I mean, sing immediately with your emotions and with your heart. I don't want you to sing, wise men say, only fools. Like you sing and you think about notes or techniques or other things. No. When you start to sing with your full voice, I want you to be free, to sing with groove and with your feelings. Don't think about technique. When we did the preparatory exercises, you could think about pitch, about rhythm and this technical stuff, but now please don't think about it. Make accents where needed, play with volume like wise men say, only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Feel free to do experiments. If you want, guys, you can check me singing this song on my artistic channel. The link is in the description. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, write a comment, hit subscribe and bell button not to miss new videos and your chance to sing better. If you want to support me, you can become a sponsor of the channel. Just click become a sponsor under this video. I'm Andriy Mik. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye. Good luck.